Okay, next up, we're moving on to the fish course. So this is, we did monkfish today. It's a really fun fish when you can keep the bone intact. We did it in the style of ossobuco today. Instead of the veal, we did the bone-in monkfish. So you get this really ugly, beautiful monkfish tail. Comes with this big bone right down the center, the vertebrae. And all we do is clean it up really nicely, and we do a cross section as like a steak to get this really beautiful presentation. So once it's roasted and braised a little bit in its own its own liquids and sauce, we keep the bone intact, and it makes for kind of a really fun plating presentation. So we're going to take the monkfish out first. We'll set that off to the side. And our greens we'll take and set that off to the side as well for now, as well as the cipollini onion. Now the trick to the risotto, in order to get that really beautiful creaminess that we're looking for in risotto, is you want to add a little bit of liquid to it, and if you have a microwave, go right into the microwave with it in 30-second intervals with the water, stirring between interval. If you don't have a microwave, I would take this whole thing out, put it in a small sauce pot, add a splash of water, and keep stirring until it's really nice and combined. So you get this really creamy, really delicious risotto. I'll be right back. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water to this, and we'll show you how to plate it up. One more, please. One more. One more. You need to fill this drawer before the tasting of shit. We have no utensils. All right, now I'm back. What I did is added about a quarter cup, a little less than a quarter cup of hot water to this, microwaved in 30-second intervals again until you have this really beautiful, creamy, risotto texture that kind of settles when you put it on the plate. So we're going to go right in the center of the plate here. A little bit of kale that got left behind, but that's all right. So this has the fennel as the base here, so really, really beautiful, fresh, lighter notes on that. We're going to form just a little bit of a nest for our fish to go down on. And then we'll take our kale and kind of go right off to the back there. And then, of course, our monkfish, after that's heated, I'm going to go right in the center. And then we'll place the cipollini onion around. That's got this really cool caramelized onion richness, sweetness that's really, really nice with that. And then the tomato, I'll just put off to the back here. Again, all these things can be microwaved just a little bit. Take the chill out of them. You don't need to go too crazy with it. You just want to get it a little bit warm so that you're not eating anything too cold. And that's a beautiful presentation of our monkfish there. If you wanted to do this in a bowl, that also works really well. But we love the contrast of colors that we have with these plates. And that's the fish.